Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to show you how I got this simple but kind of smoky purple glam using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you were not subscribed already. So let's get started. As always, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, and then I'm going to set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So the first color I'm going to go in with is the Eccentric color on a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to blend this all through my crease, and I'm going to take it at an angle all the way up to the front of my brows. And I'm just tapping the shadow into that area first and then very lightly blending it out. And I'm also bringing it down into the inner eye corner and rounding it out in the outer third of my eye. So I'm going from the outer third of my eye up to my brow bone and down into my inner eye corner. Next, I'm going to go in with the Passion color on a Morphe M326 brush, and I'm going to use this to outline my crease, and I'm bringing this again around the outer third of my eye and then up towards the front of my brow. I'm then going to go in with the Morphe M506 brush and that same Passion color we first used, and I'm going to use it to blend and diffuse this line. I'm taking this color all the way up to my brow like so, and then bringing it into my inner eye corner. Now this palette doesn't have a black shadow, which is a total bummer. You guys know how I feel. I need my palettes to have either a black shadow or at the very least a super dark brown. So I'm actually going to pull the black shadow from my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I'm going to use that to deepen the crease even more just because I want a little bit more of a pop. And then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M506 brush and that Passion color to buff and blend out that black line. I'm going to clean up the edges of this look just to make it appear a little bit more rounded and symmetrical. Using a fluffy brush and the Incense color, I'm just going to blend around the edges. I'm then going to carve out my lid using that same LA Girl Pro Conceal and a flat brush. On a flat brush, I'm now going to apply the color Drama in a wing shape, creating something like a wing liner. With another flat brush, I'm going to go in with the color Wild Child on the inner third of my eye. And then I'm going to apply Celestial to the rest of the lid. And I'm just making sure to blend it into the first color that we laid down so that both sections blend seamlessly into one another. I'm gonna layer a bit of rose gold over the lid just because I feel like it's not popping quite enough. It's not giving me exactly what I need. And wow, that is so much better, so much more vibrant, so much more shimmery, exactly what I was looking for. Now I'm just gonna go in and make sure that everything is blended nicely together. I'm going to add a little bit more of the drama color to the wing just to clean it up and to make it appear sharper. I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M506 brush and the passion color and just blend along the edges. I just feel like the look needs a little bit more warmth, especially in the crease to transition area. Now I'm going to bring a little bit more of that passion color into my inner eye corner using that same Morphe M506 brush. And that's just really going to darken up that whole area. And really make sure that you're pushing that color all the way up into the front of your brow. That's really what's going to give you that editorial vibe, and it's going to make everything just look that much more smoky and a little bit more intense. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the passion color on a Morphe M326 brush. And I'm dragging that shadow down a little bit so that it creates a new inner eye corner. I'm then going to go back in with the Morphe M506 brush and that same passion color to further smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm just making sure to connect it to the outer third of my eye. Using a small flat brush, I'm going to place the color Love into my waterline just to lighten things up a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with Dreamer for my inner eye corner using that same brush. I'm then going to go in and add a little bit of Wild Child into my inner eye corner on the waterline. I'm going to pop on some mascara and then I'm going to apply the Cocoa Lashes in the Queen Bee style. Alright loves, I put together a short playlist of some of my more simple and sultry eyeshadow looks. Definitely check them out. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Also, turn on notifications if you want to be notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.